Hello friends, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching my channel Traveler Goa. So today's vlog is all about my vlogging mic. So as I have ordered from Amazon, I got it just delivered. So we'll be doing unboxing of this mic. It's a Boya M1 mic. So we'll be doing the unboxing which I'll be using for my upcoming vlogs and upcoming rides. So stay tuned. So guys, without wasting any time, let's open it. So we'll open this. You can see here a little bit open here. Let it be, ignore it, we'll see it later on. If there is any problem with the product, if it is open inside, then we'll replace it. अगर इसमें कुछ problem रहा तो हम replace कर देंगे, कुछ बात नहीं है. So we'll first open it and see if the product is faulty or anything. So here it goes. Here is the invoice of this product. You can see here. We'll keep it aside. So here we go, guys. This is Boya's BY-MM1 mic. It's a vlogging mic. You can see here Boya's branding, model number. It's basically a universal mic. It's used mostly for vlogging. So here you can see some of the features. It's compatible with smartphone, tablets, DSLR and whatnot. It's a lightweight and it doesn't require any battery. So let's open it and see what are the things inside. We'll open it first. Here it is. So something is there inside. Okay. So let's keep it aside. So this is the warranty card of this mic. You can see this is some quality certificate from Boya, one user manual with some Muft Ka Gyan, silica gel. So let's see what are the things available. This is the mic holder. You can connect it to camera with shoe mount. Okay, you can see here. So this is the cable for the smartphone. It is having 3.5 mm jack. This is the smartphone cable. This side is for microphone. Let's keep it aside. We'll check the other cord. This is for camcorders, DSLR, GoPro, etc. We'll keep it aside. So this is the pouch. It's a mic carrying case. You can say it looks good. We'll keep it aside and talk about the mic. So this is the main product. It's the mic. You can see the build quality also. It looks premium. The fur over here, it cancels maximum air noise. So you can see here, this is the mic we were talking about. It's a single directional mic, and you can see here it's look premium, and the audio quality is also good of this mic. It captures the sound this way. So looks premium, heavy. So we'll check the audio. The next audio will be of this mic. So this audio which you are listening now is from Boya BY-MM1 mic. So I would like to tell you, if you are using this mic, then do install Open Camera app. Apart from this, you can see this is more louder, more clear. It reducing much more noise in this video. And I would like to suggest you and recommend you this mic if you are starting your new channel or starting your new vlogs. This mic costed me around 1990 on Amazon, and it's a budget friendly if you are starting new channel. It's lightweight to carry anywhere. And this video ends here. Stay tuned for the more videos and do like, share and subscribe to my channel.